Hello students, once again we will continue chapter 1 India size and location part 2। पिछले पार्ट में हमने इंडिया के लैटिट्यूड्स, लॉन्गिट्यूड, एक्सटेंट, इंडिया की बाउंड्री, हिमालयाज, आइलैंड्स, इन सब बातों के बारे में स्टडी किया। अभी हम आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड। When we talk about India and the world, then the Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent, और जो इंडियन ओशन का रूट है जो यूरोप को वेस्ट में ईस्ट एशिया की कंट्रीज को कनेक्ट करता है, उस रूट के ऊपर इंडिया जो है एक बहुत ही सेंट्रल लोकेशन के ऊपर लोकेटेड है। रिमेंबर दैट द डेक्कन पेनिनसुला protrudes into the Indian Ocean. So it helps India to establish close contact with West Asia. थोड़ा सा आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि डेक्कन क्या है, पेनिनसुला क्या है। डेक्कन हिंदी के वर्ड दक्कन से आया है, which means south, and peninsula is part of land which is covered by water from three sides. I repeat again, Deccan means Dakhan, that means south, and peninsula means a part of land which is covered by water from three sides. So South India is a peninsula. So because of this central location, India has established close contact with West Asia, Africa, and European countries. And no other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. And because of that reason, and because of this important position of India in the Indian Ocean, the name to this ocean has been given Indian Ocean. आपके लिए एक फैक्ट याद रखने के लिए, do you know, since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from the Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. I repeat, it has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. अब ये स्वेज कैनल है क्या? अभी हम इसको वर्ल्ड मैप पे करते हैं। Here you can see कि एंशिएंट टाइम में यूरोप से इंडिया की ओर जो रूट चलते थे वो इस तरीके से अफ्रीका के कॉर्नर को टच करते हुए देन यूरोप में एंटर करते थे, और एक बहुत ही लंबा रूट था। यू कैन सी हियर अप्रॉक्सीमेट 19,000 किलोमीटर्स or 12,300 miles. So when in 1869 this Suez Canal was built, it was made here इजिप्ट के एक पार्ट के ऊपर, and this Suez Canal connects this part of the world with Europe through Mediterranean Sea, and because of that reason more than 7,000 miles have been reduced. Again you can see more than 7,000 kilometer has been given here, so 7,000 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा का रूट कम हो गया है। So here you can see again. So this is Red Sea and this is Suez Canal. This is Mediterranean Sea. So I hope अभी आपको Suez Canal का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया होगा। आगे चलते हैं। ये जो आपको एक बार ग्राफ दिखाई दे रहा है, here you can see 7 largest countries of the world. And area wise, Russia is the largest country of the world, followed by Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India. आगे चलते हैं. So this is map of India. इस मैप में आप देख सकते हैं इंडिया की जो लॉन्गिट्यूड एक्सटेंट है 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट्स से लेकर 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट्स longitude east longitude eastern longitude and similarly latitude में 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट्स नॉर्थ से लेकर 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट्स नॉर्थ तक की हमारी latitude extent है. And from north to south India's length is 3214 kilometers. From west to east, or you can say east to west, it is 2933 kilometers. So here you can see in the map of India, and here you can see this land is Tropic of Cancer. Here we have Arabian Sea, here we have Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean is located here. Next topic. When we talk about India's contacts, so India's contact with the world have continued through the ages. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, and while the ocean restricted such interaction for a long time, till when in 1498 Vasco da Gama discovered sea route to India. So these routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. Remember the ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. Indian spices, Indian muslin and other goods were very popular in other parts of the world. And similarly, we were also influenced by culture of other areas such as the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural style of dome and minarets from the West Asia can be seen in the different parts of our country.